Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve League of Legends update stack error. So let's start. For the first step, you want to go to your VPN if you have and make sure to disable it. It is very important. After that, go to the Windows search bar right here and then type in network and select view network connections. Now once this pop up, make sure to look for your Wi-Fi, which is this one for me. Right click and then select properties. This will pop up. Now scroll down. You'll find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Make sure to double click. After that, from here you want to ensure that you are selecting obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically, and then select OK. Select OK again. Now close everything. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar and then type in CMD. After that, select run as an administrator. Now make sure to type in this command: net space winsock space reset. Hit enter. After that, enter ipconfig space // DNS and hit enter again. And lastly, type in net space int space IP space reset and type enter. Now once you run all the commands, as you can see, you need to restart your computer. So go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your PC. After that, your problem should be solved. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.